How to change password on League of Legends account, or how to change League of Legends account password. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your League of Legends account password. Now basically changing your League of Legends account password means changing your Riot Games account password since it's associated, right? So what you want to do is you want to head into your browser on your device, and there you want to search in for riotgames.com. Once you search in here, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are logged into your account. You want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen, and you can see I'm logged in. Once here, what you want to do is you want to tap on your username, and you want to tap on the settings option here. Once you tap on settings, it should head you to the settings page. Now it will ask you for the code. I'll just enter in the code that I have got in my Gmail. I'll just open my Gmail real quick, and here I should be able to get the code. You can see 697071. I'll just type in my code here, and once you do so, it should tap on next here, arrow icon here, and it should take me to the settings page. Now once on the settings page, you'll get an interface like this. Now let this load up. You can see it's loaded up. Now here, if you scroll down below, you'll find various options, and you can see your Riot account sign in, and you can see password option. You want to simply type in your username first, your account username, and then you want to type in your new password, and then confirm your new password, and you want to tap on save changes, and you'll be able to change your password. So this way you can change your League of Legends password. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.